Let me show you how to make this mouth-watering blue cheese, onion ring, barbecue kidney bean blended burger. I'm blending kidney beans into the burgers to give them a perfectly juicy texture. First, we'll prep our burgers. Gently mix the ground beef, onion, garlic, salt, and barbecue spice mix together. Coarsely chop the kidney beans into large pieces and take care not to over-chop. Gently fold the beans into the beef mixture. Swapping some of the beef with beans reduces the amount of saturated fat and cholesterol, and the beans add fiber, protein, and a delicious texture. Next, we'll form the burger patties. Place the blue cheese in the center of each patty. Enclose the blue cheese and gently flatten each burger into a thick patty. Refrigerate the burgers for 30 minutes or more. Next, I'll make my spicy blue cheese mayonnaise. Mix together mayonnaise, blue cheese, hot sauce, paprika, garlic, parsley, chives, green onions, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. Set this aside. When you're ready to serve, cook the burgers in a cast iron skillet, sprinkle with more barbecue spice, cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, and transfer to a warm oven until the burger is cooked to your desired doneness. Slather each bun with a spicy blue cheese mayonnaise. Place lettuce on the bottom bun, and then top with a patty, sliced pickles, onion rings, and the top bun. This is one of the best burgers you'll ever have. Enjoy!